Yo! Dude, man, it's your boy I say a react back with another reaction video, man. Yeah, boy, I say ya. They were reacting to daily dose of the internet, man. He couldn't handle it. What you mean by that? What you mean by that? Let's jump into it, man.
Everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Ow!
Now once they're all off, you should be able to just stick a bar in here and make it loose.
Oh.
I love you.
World's fastest computer screen closed. Boy, I'm actually going, man. This lion was chasing a wildebeest.
Damn! What?
Boy, I'm actually going, man. This lion was chasing a wildebeest when
Man. That video again, bro.
This computer screen closed.
That's crazy.
Boy, I'm actually going, man.
Yeah.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
You know right now?
I guess you really never know when lightning will strike. These guys saw that their boat was being chased by killer whales.
Lucky. Yeah.
Oh, dude!
Yeah.
Oh, watch where you're going. You gotta keep your head up when you're walking. You don't want to run into anything.
So this is a pretty cool common thing that
Yeah, man, you need to look. I forgot. Nah, bro, you need to look for you, man. Like, what?
So this is a pretty cool common thing that happens on beaches in Brazil. If a child is lost, people will clap together to make attention until the parent hears them and arrives.
Oh, that's good.
It was a regular peaceful day at this hair salon when this happened.
Yo! Damn!
This dog was deeply concerned after seeing that their owner was trapped in this strange electronic box thing. I'm not sure why nobody decided to press the emergency button to stop the escalator.
Because they don't have the IQ. That's why. Hey, bro. Like, look up. How many people?
He
How
somehow
can you not
forgot to put
think
his
of
car in
that?
park.
And you're falling. Yes.
So why is this cat walking like this? I showed a video of this guy a few episodes ago, but I think this shot is even crazier.
Oh yeah, I saw this one. Bruh. Keyboard man using a keyboard to control the wheel. That's crazy. Woo!
So why does he look like this?
What? See that, dog?
These divers found themselves in the middle of a giant school of fish near Italy.
That's crazy.
It was time to remove her cast, so she put in a fake cockroach to see how the doctor would react.
That?
What is it?
Gross.
Get it!
One of my subscribers went to a thrift store and saw that someone's cremated ashes were still in this jar.
No. Yo.
His groom had to prepare for his first kiss as a new husband.
Man, I'm getting a stiff wash. Not at a wedding, that's crazy. Nah.
And my class is really sweet, except one little boy. And I need to tell
She saw that a cookie was placed next to her door, but had no idea.
So young.
Next to her door, but had no idea how it got there.
Don't
It
eat it
turns
now.
out the squirrel left her a cookie as a gift.
Huh? Damn.
I'm recording this for my safety in case it pops. I don't think it will, but. Bruh.
This is your sign to go on a hot girl walk, even though it's...
When do you land on the ground just like that?
Whoop, 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 whoop! Oh.
They were
Damn.
trying to save this car from falling in the water, but made it way worse.
Another cut again. What?
Bruh.
This truck in Indonesia was a little overloaded.
What? Nah. Everyone. Of course that's gonna happen.
This town in Texas got like one.
How dumb can you be? How dumb? Every. This is not. This is overly dumb. This is stupid.
This town in Texas got like 1 inch of snow, so this guy felt like it was time to bring out the doomsday tracks.
Damn. And it's in 2030.
He somehow made this look super easy and effortless.
Is it gross?
Twinkie
For the one time I tried this thing, all on my ass. Almost busted my lip, bro. Almost. Again.
Twinkie Lee! What are you doing?
What it is about the warm air. Hold on, I gotta come a little bit further in the house. Hitting the water. But yeah, it's froze.
He was upset that mom wasn't paying attention.
What?
I've had suspicions that my cat's a skinwalker, and you guys, why is he doing this? Why is he like this? Please, I'm scared. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yo.
Sam, think fast.
Damn.
So I guess being cheerleading partners can be pretty helpful.
No. What?
Bruh.
Oh, yo. Man. What?
This person stabilized their camera and recorded a time lapse of Earth's rotation.
Damn!
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Later. I like to hear that later. Later. Yeah. W video, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment which video I should react to. Yeah, man, comment, guys. Comment. If you guys are watching the video, comment. Yeah, man. Check out my Twitch in the description. Gonna see you on the next video, man. Later.